So, I just bought a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 for only $90 on Facebook Marketplace. And honestly, I think I got an absolutely crazy deal. I found this phone last night here in Sudbury, and after seeing the condition, I knew I had to grab it. But there's actual an interesting story behind this phone. The previous owner originally bought this phone Fold 3 back in 2021 or 2022. I don't remember the exact year. He used it for around 3 years, and eventually he started noticing some issues developing around the crease on the inner screen. Luckily, he had an extended warranty, so he sent the phone back to Samsung through his provider. And this is where things get interesting. Samsung actually sent him a replacement phone in summers of 2025, so last year. So technically, this phone hasn't been used for 3 years or 4 years like the original one. It was a replacement device from Samsung in 2025, and I managed to buy it from him last night for $90 only. Yes, $90. Now let's take a look at the condition. Starting with the back, there are no cracked glass, and honestly, it looks pretty good. Like, check it out, just the clean black. And then we get to the main attraction, the inner folding display. And guys, this looks really good. There are no cracks, and screen is in excellent condition, just as smudges from the fingerprints. There are also no obvious crease damage on the display. The previous owner did remove the original screen protector from the inner display. He told me that he believed the screen protector was responsible for some of the crease issues he experienced on his previous phone, so he decided to remove it. Obviously, that's something I'm gonna keep it in mind, because the inner display on these foldable phones is something you definitely wanna take care of. But overall, for the phone that I paid $90 for, I'm seriously impressed with the condition. Also, just look at the thing. It's still pretty crazy to me that you can open this up and basically have a small tablet in your pocket. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 has 7.6 inches dynamic AMOLED 2x inner display with their 120 hertz refresh rate. On the outside, you got 6.2 inches covered display, also with the 120 hertz refresh rate. It runs on a Snapdragon 888 processor and has triple camera setup on the back, and of course you got Samsung foldable design. And one of the coolest things you also about the Fold series is that you can use the bigger inner screen for multitasking. Like, you can open one application there and another on the second screen. You have multiple apps open at the same times, watch videos at the big display, browse the web, and basically use the phone as a mini tablet. Now the real question is, was actually the $90 is a good deal? In my opinion, absolutely. I know the Z Fold 3 isn't the newest Fold anymore, but getting one for 90 days, especially in this condition, it's pretty hard to complain about. My plan now is to test everything properly: the display, camera, speaker, charging, hinge, S Pen compatibility, and other features. And then I decide whether I'm going to keep it or put it up for sale. So if I do sell it, I'm hoping to make a pretty decent profit from $90 Facebook Marketplace. Fine. So what do you think, guys? Did I get the crazy deal on this Galaxy Z Fold 3 for $90? Would you have passed on it? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see the short video on this deal, check out my Instagram channel. I post short videos about the phones, find repairs, flips, and Facebook Marketplace deals over there as well. So if you want to see what happens with the Fold 3, whether I keep it or flip it, make sure you subscribe and follow on my Instagram, because honestly, I think this $90 Fold 3 must be one of the maybe the better marketplace finds. Well, let me know in the comments below, what do you think. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.